Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best nail drill bits bulk set available on the market, the Depvko 10PCS ceramic nail drill bits. Whether you're a professional nail technician or someone who loves doing their own manicures and pedicures at home, this set promises to deliver precision, durability, and versatility. The Depvko nail drill bit set includes 10 ceramic bits featuring 4 different textures: fine, medium, coarse, and a special rough grinding pattern. This variety ensures you can tackle every step of your nail care routine, from delicate polishing and smoothing to more intense grinding and shaping of acrylic or gel nails. The bits are designed to accommodate different levels of strength, so whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you can adjust your technique accordingly. One of the standout features of these bits is their material quality. Made from superior ceramic, they offer excellent hardness and abrasion resistance. This means they last longer than typical bits, providing repeated use without wearing down or losing effectiveness. Another benefit of the ceramic material is its remarkable heat dissipation. While you're working on nails, these bits generate minimal heat, which keeps your clients or your own nails comfortable and prevents any burning sensations. The design also helps reduce dust production during use, contributing to a cleaner workspace. For anyone concerned about hygiene and ease of maintenance, this is a big plus. The set comes in a compact, dust-proof storage box that's perfect for organizing the bits and carrying them around safely. Ideal if you work on the go or need a portable nail care kit. Compatibility is seamless with most professional electric nail drills, thanks to the standard 3/32 shank size. This universal fit means you don't need to worry about compatibility issues with your existing nail drill machine. The bits themselves are designed for safety as well, with smooth, efficient cutting surfaces that help avoid accidental injury or nail damage during use. Functionally, these drill bits handle a wide range of tasks. They can sharpen, grind, carve, polish, and reshape nails quickly and effectively, saving you time without sacrificing quality. Whether you're prepping nails for acrylic application, removing hard gel polish, or tidying up cuticles, this set has you covered. The aesthetic touch with these bits is also worth mentioning. They come in a stylish pink color, which adds a fun and professional look to your nail toolkit. In summary, the Depvko 10PCS ceramic nail drill bits combine high-quality ceramic material, versatile bit textures, excellent heat and dust control, and user-friendly design into one affordable and reliable set. It's an excellent choice for both nail art enthusiasts and professionals aiming to provide safe, efficient, and beautiful nail care. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more product deep dives, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.